Today's legendary moment highlights head coach Kelvin Sampson's coaching career with the Houston Cougars. Hired in 2014, Sampson immediately made an impact on the program, spearheading multiple facility upgrades, including the state-of-the-art Guy V. Lewis Development Center and the world-class Fertitta Center. On the court, Sampson restored the historic program's winning tradition by bringing the Cougars to unprecedented heights. Team accomplishments during the Sampson era include a program record 33 wins in 2018 and 19, back-to-back American Athletic Conference regular season titles, 2021 American Athletic Conference tournament champions, back-to-back American Coach of the Year honors, 3 NCAA tournament appearances with the last 2 in the Sweet 16 or further. During the 2021 NCAA tournament in Indianapolis, Kelvin Sampson led the Cougars on a historic run to the Final Four for the program's first appearance in 37 years.